Let's do 10 Swedish words, sayings in Swedish.
Oi! My name is not Sven, it is Martin, ja.
Yes, we've done a few installments in this series, but there are so many to pick from, and I picked out 10, so let's go through them. Att arbeta svart, to work black, actually comes from the German Schwarz Arbeiter, and it refers to back when they were rebuilding Germany after the Second World War, people had to work while it was dark outside, but nowadays it actually means that you work without paying taxes. Bita gräset, to bite in the grass, means to fail. It comes from Roman and Greek stories where the heroes who were deadly wounded would bite the grass as they lay dying. Yeah, they failed. The next one is dra dit pepparn växer, which is something you say to someone that you want them to go far away from you. I guess the current version would be go to hell. Gets that pretty far too. Because pepper was not grown in Sweden, it was grown far away. The next one is en storm i ett vattenglas, which comes from the French philosopher Montesquieu, who described the political situation, the worrying situation in the small country of San Marino. It basically means to get upset over small things. Ha is i magen means to stay cool and to keep it cool. I guess the English version would be to keep a cool head, but we keep it cool in the stomach. And then we have Kasta pärlor for svinen, which is when you give someone something that they don't want or they don't appreciate. It's actually a biblical thing. The reading in Matthew says, "Do not give dogs what is holy, and do not throw your pearls before pigs." Then we have Leva, loppan, live the flea, which is the insect way of partying. He was out and he leva loppan. It's an old saying. People don't say that anymore unless you're like 40 and up. And then we have Rinna ut i sanden, when something doesn't lead to anything. The analogy is that when water hits sand, it disappears and you can't really catch it. It's gone. It didn't lead anywhere. Sista, skriket, the last scream, which sounds horrible, I know, but it means that something new is out, like a new merchandise, and back in the day you would scream that to announce it on the streets. Nowadays, when you say Sista, skriket, you probably refer to clothes. You're wearing what is in fashion right now. And the last one is Sitta, klistret, to sit in the glue, which means that you're in a situation that you can't really get out of. I guess the English version would be to be in the soup. Yeah, you're in a sticky spot. Glue is sticky. Other things are also sticky. Certain theaters that you go to are sticky. It's the soda, most often. So those were 10 Swedish sayings. If you want to see more of these specific videos, you can look in the description of this video. You'll see links to a whole bunch of videos that talks about Swedish sayings. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you the next time. You click on one of my videos.